Ayodhya, a city that has been the center of people's religious faith for centuries. The same place where, according to Hindu belief, Lord Ram was born, and the same site where the Babri Masjid was constructed in the 16th century. This eventually became one of the longest and most complex legal disputes in India's judicial history. Many Hindus believed that the mosque was built on the birthplace of Lord Ram, which led to repeated disputes over the land. The present legal dispute originated from an order of the Faizabad Court in 1949, where Hindu idols were found under the central dome of the Babri Masjid one night. This led to a breakdown of law and order. To control rising communal tensions, a Faizabad court handed over the management of the site to the state government. After the 1949 order, three major title suits were filed. One, in 1959, the Nirmohi Akhada filed a suit claiming ownership. In 1961, the Sunni Central Waqf Board claimed possession of the mosque. In 1989, senior advocate Deoki Nandan Agrawal filed a case on behalf of Lord Ram in the Allahabad High Court. In a major development, the Babri Masjid was demolished in 1992 by Kar Sevaks associated with the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and other organizations. In 2010, the Allahabad High Court divided the Ayodhya land into three equal parts, allotting it to the Nirmohi Akhada, Ram Lala, represented by Triloki Nath Pandey, and the Sunni Waqf Board. All parties appealed to the Supreme Court, claiming rights over the disputed land. In 2011, the Supreme Court stayed the High Court's verdict. After lengthy hearings, in 2019, the court ruled the entire 2.77 acres of disputed land would be given to Ram Lala Virajman, as evidence showed the existence of a large non-Islamic structure beneath the disputed structure. The court also directed the government to provide an alternative site to the Sunni Waqf Board for the construction of a mosque.